everyone, Barbara here. Today we are talking about the best in-app video walkthrough tools. And I know all of us have been here, we have a demo, we need to get it in, our audience is ready, and we think we're as prepared as we had hoped we'd be, and it just doesn't work. I know I've been there. And so I think this is why we all need to make sure that we're using quality video walkthrough tools, which are products that are designed. These are tools that are designed to bring your products to life. They help guide your viewers step by step, so they're able to. They have all those little pieces, those little nuances that we didn't have way back when we were just doing plain old demos, especially live demos. So using the right tool we really want to make sure that we use the right tool to be able to create our video walkthroughs. We're going to start with Guidde. Guidde is one of the tools that I like to use the best. It's an AI powered tool that really makes your video walkthroughs pop. You can do a lot with Guidde. Not just video walkthroughs, but you can make feature notes, you can make how-to guides, you can make SOPs, something that I really like doing, training materials. Guidde is a great tool. And the AI generated video documentation really is simple, where you just simply capture your workflow. Your Storylane automatically pops up for you. I mean, it is really simple. And then you can add all of your personalization and everything that you need in there. So it's a really great tool. So before we move on to any other tools, I do want to say that Guidde is one of my favorites. However, I have been using Loom for a long time too. Loom is also one of my favorites. Loom is a great tool because it's very human to human. Yeah, they have the AI features, but it's also very human to human. And one thing that I really like about Loom is everybody knows it. So that's really nice. It has a professional grade video editor. So this is a video that I've created before, and it really does a great job with editing. It makes it simple. It's user-friendly. That's, to me, very important, being able to trim clips, which is something I have a lot of trouble with, figuring out how to trim clips. So Loom makes that super easy. Put multiple recordings together, adding annotation, all of that, so it's nice and clean. However, that said, Loom, unlike Guidde, does have a limitation where you can only record up to 5 minutes on their free plan. So that's something to pay attention to. But Loom is a really good tool. And that, you know, those are things to pay attention to as you're comparing between Loom and Guidde. Now, there's another tool out there, which is called Storylane. So Storylane is also designed to be able to help you create interactive product walkthroughs. Also very simple and very easy to use. It has a lot of steps here that make it easy. You just capture what you need to do, you edit it, you create it with AI, and then share, and then do some maybe analysis at the end. And it means that you don't need anybody to help you. So this is one thing that across all of these tools is to make it as intuitive and easy to use as possible. And I know Storylane does this for me. The disadvantages is it does require a lot of scrolling. So that's kind of that there's some requirements that make you be able to do that, just like the scrolling I'm doing now. And this can sometimes feel a little tedious. And it also doesn't have a lot of customization options. So unlike Guidde, which does have a lot of customization options, and Loom is getting there as well, that's something to pay attention to with Storylane. So next up is Camtasia. So Camtasia is also a really good tool. It's been around for a long time. I've used it for a long time. And the tool is really great because it allows you to put in all kinds of animations. Its editing is also straightforward, not quite as straightforward as Loom and Guidde, but the editing is still very good. And it allows you to capture your content, allows you to add animations, effects, annotations. It makes it's also very easy, but it does sometimes crash on me. That's something that I've noticed, and it doesn't have a lot of customization. So I know their videos here are really great, but it doesn't always have the same level of customization that I like within the other tools. So that's Camtasia, a great tool. been around a long time. TechSmith is the owner of Camtasia. And one thing I do like about Camtasia, though, is as far as all the tools that I've compared, it does have the best way to show your brand off. So it does have that custom themes and your templates that you may not get to the same extent that you get with the other tools, at least in my opinion. So in summary, Guidde is my top favorite. I like them the best. They are an AI powered tool. I find them very easy to use, simple. I'm all about simplicity. So it's a great tool. Plus, not just for video walkthroughs, it has all kinds of other options that you can use it for, such as SOPs, FAQs, feature notes, etc. Loom is also top up there. I do enjoy using Loom. I've used Loom for a long time. I find that it has lots of ways that you can make your video walkthrough shine. It does have a limitation though, unlike Guidde, where you do have a limit on how long you can do it, how long you can record your videos. Storyline, also great. I didn't mention earlier, Storyline is really good if you want products where you want a lot of interactiveness built into your video walkthroughs. That's something that Storylane does that the other three that I've compared does not. So that's something to think about too. And then of course, Camtasia. Camtasia, really good for editing your videos, a little fancier than what is available within the other three as far as what you can do, but also a great tool. So I hope that helps. Thanks.